Hello all. In the previous video, we saw how we can modify an order by modifying the products in the order. We also saw that you can delete unwanted products. This time we're going to modify an order by adding products to it. We do this by adding so-called customer service packages that contain whatever products you need. Let's see how. The parent who placed this order didn't realise they qualified for a free gift package and therefore didn't add it to the cart before checking out. Rather than place a new order, we're going to add that gift package to their current order. Now there's a little bit of setting up in TS Admin to do before the first time you can do this. As you know, all orders in Timestone go through offers. The customer service packages that we'll be adding in TS Portal go through a generic global offer that can be used for every job. This is great news because it means you don't need to know or care what offer may or may not be assigned to the order and the job at hand. Let's make that generic offer in TS Admin. Firstly, we create it in ****, so it applies for no matter what combination of season, workspace and account. The offer must have a code of $CSP$. Why that code? Because this is what TS Portal will look for. We had to settle on something standard and something that you're not likely to have elsewhere. $CSP$ was the winner. The description can be anything you like. I'll give mine a description of TS Portal customer service. It doesn't matter what the description is, but I stress the code must be $CSP$. Next, we add one or more generic packages to the offer. The code and description of the package does not matter, but I recommend you use something that is obvious and not used anywhere else. I'm giving my package a code of #CS_addons and a description of customer service packages. Now here's the beautiful thing, you don't add any products to this package. It's completely generic, the ultimate build your own. You'll be adding products to it when you use it in TS Portal. This means it can have certain products in one order and completely different products in another. For this reason, you can see that it's not necessary to have multiple customer service packages, but you can if you want to. One reason you do so, I think, is if you want to use different packages for different product types. For example, you might add a second package called #CSDig and use this one only when adding digital products to an offer. Let's summarise what we've done here before we move on. So, before you can use TS Portal to add customer service packages, you need to make a global offer with a code $CSP$. Add one or more packages to it, but don't add any products to the package. Oh, and you don't set a price for it either. You can do this later on when you use it. Okay, back in TS Portal. This is the order where we need to add the gift package. We can see the products in the order here in the products tab, and they all came from package PK2. By the way, here's that package and its products in Fulfill. We aren't going to change these products, we're going to add another package to the order. Let's do it. In TS Portal, in either the Products or the Packages tab, click the icon on the left. You get the Add Customer Service Package window. Up the top is a reminder of the order and the subject you're working on. Add a package. We see the two customer service packages we created in TS Admin. I'm selecting CS Add-ons. Now we can add products to it. The products drop-down shows you all the products that are available for this order. We need the gift pack, which is down here. Select an image for this product. Again, we can hover over the file name to get a glimpse of the pose number if set, and we can click the magnify icon to preview the images in your computer's image viewer. If needed, select an item. I won't because I know the gift pack doesn't use items. Add a background. Let's choose this one. Once you're happy with your selections, click the big green Add button to to send the products down to the list at the bottom. Think of what we just did here, selecting a product and then all of its options. It's the equivalent of customizing a product in iOS. And the big green Add button is the equivalent of the Add to Cart button in iOS. And the section at the bottom is a bit like the cart. We keep going. We could add further products to this package and add them to the cart if we want to. If you make a mistake, hit clear and start again. Note you can add a price to this package, but since in this case it's a free gift, we'll leave that alone. When ready, hit submit. TS Portal refreshes straight away to show the new packages you've just added. And if you give Fulfill a minute, we'll see the new package in there too. There it is. Let's do another one. In this order, the customer wants to add a digital download. They only ordered a group photo originally and now regret it. Here's the order in Fulfill. In TS Portal, click the button on the left. Select your customer service package. This time I will select the CS Dig package, though I could have equally selected the other one. Select the Dig product. Select the image. There's only one to choose from this time. Item options and backgrounds don't apply here, but this time we are charging the customer, so we're going to add $20 for this package. Click Submit when ready. TS Portal shows you the added package, and like when editing products, a task has been made to give you a record of what was just done and by whom. By now the new product should also be in Fulfill. There it is. We're done. Let us know if you have any questions, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.